So an aortic dissection is when you have a tear in the aorta. It's a life-threatening event that often needs emergency surgery. It's fabulous that here at PMCC we're able to provide this emergency surgery for patients, but the question is what happens to patients after they go home? What we found in this big study of all patients in Ontario was that almost no one was receiving guideline-recommended imaging surveillance afterwards. These patients are actually still at ongoing risk of aortic complications, needing reintervention, and even death from this aortic disease. So here at PMCC, we started a new clinic. It's multidisciplinary, including cardiac surgeons, vascular surgeons, and interventional radiologists who are all aortic experts. And we follow patients with dissections and aortic aneurysms who may need ongoing imaging surveillance and possibly even surgery down the road.